Hey guys, I'm Yasin. I'm from RadIT channel. I'm here to show you how to install Parrot on the Mac OS. Okay, we must go to parrotsec.org and download page and download security edition file. If you want to install Parrot on visual mode, you must download Visual Machine 2. I think the best visual machine on the Mac is VisualBox, VMware, and Parrot Desktop. I prefer to use Parrot Desktop because it's more user-friendly than other apps. Okay, I open Parrot Desktop. Okay, I open install Windows and other OS. Continue. Choose manually. Select a file and choose my ISO file. That's good name. Uncheck alias on Mac desktop. Check customize setting before installation. Create. Continue. Options, no hardware. 2GB RAM is enough. Graphic 256MB is enough. Okay, continue. Okay, and okay. Okay, wait a moment. The OS is up. Yes. And now go to install Parrot. Okay. American English. Next. Location. New York is good. Keyboard. English. Next. Erase disk. Next. Full name is Yasin. What is the name of this computer? Yasin is good. Password. And repeat it. Next. Summary. Nothing. Install now. Okay, wait a minute. Important point, we can install Parrot OS with two modes, visual or dual boot. In this video I show you how to install it in visual mode. If you want to dual boot, comment me. Okay, we just now restart the OS to complete installation. Okay, down and waiting. Okay, user Yasin, password, and now. If you like this video, please like this and follow my channel. Okay, congratulations, all is done, installation is complete, and I hope you like this video. Have a good day.